Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I thought that I would sing Shawn Mendes Stitches. And I'm pretty sure you can hear what the song is, and I will be singing to it. And I think that you guys might like it, and this is how I like to sing. So let's start the video. I thought that I'd been hurt before. No one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm with your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself. I'm aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'd be needing stitches. Just like the moth drawn to a flame. You lured me in and couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter hot cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm not seeing red on my own. Got a feeling I'm going under. I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover and move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I needed stitches, tripping over myself. I'm aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needed stitches. Needle in the thread, gonna get you on my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up. Needle in the thread, gonna get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the head, gonna get you out of wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gonna get you out of my head. Out of my head. Watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Aching, and without your kisses, I'll be needed stitches, tripping over myself. I'm aching, begging you to come help. But I'm without your kisses, I'll be needed stitches. I'm without your kisses, I'll be needed stitches. I'm without your kisses, I'll be needed stitches. So I hope that you guys liked it, and please subscribe, like the video. Love you all. Stay sweet, and remember to be nice to each other. Bye. Oh, by the way, turn on notifications, please, if I forgot to say that. Oh, and also, if you guys don't know, but I have not really sang on my channel very much, so I'll just show you my channel and how to get to it. So some people can't really do it, and yeah. So what you do is you search up Diamond at 18, because that's my channel name, of course. And if you can't find it, then try this, Diamond Cat 18. And if it doesn't show, click this. Then you'll find my channel here. I have 5 subscribers. This is my channel trailer. And once you click the Diamond Cat 18, there is all of my videos. I've watched some of them. I'm not very good at naming my videos. Okay, I'm really not good at naming my videos. Um, and yeah, so I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and love you all. Bye!